Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back with part 2 of my DT unboxing for White Rose Crafts. Very exciting. So this is mostly the 12 by 12 papers, but I also have a couple of other things I want to share with you. This is adhesive paper, and there is the top of it, and it's based on the writings of Roald Dahl, who is was a British author. This is by Do Crafts, which is a UK brand again, and a lot of the items in White Rose Crafts are UK brands, which are amazing because they're very hard to get here in North America. So this is adhesive paper, like I said, and it's really fun and cool. It's a huge piece. It's doubled over, as you can see. And it has all these really super fun words on here, like wonder, crump, bish, splendiferous, squizzled, craggy, fibbling. What does that one say? Zip fizzing, giganticus. So it has lots of fun words on it. And I can see lots of applications for this. You could use this as a background on a canvas, cover of a journal. Because it's adhesive, oh, there it is, yeah. Because it's adhesive, you might be able to kind of use it as a faux washi tape, even if you cut it into strips. You could cut them small and use them as backgrounds on ATCs. Like, there's lots of things that you could do with it. Cover a box with it. I just love script anything, so I think this will be really fun to do something really different and interesting with. So there's that. And then these are the 12 by 12 papers, and these first ones I'm going to share with you are by Craft Creations, and they're based on a Victorian kitchen. And here's the first one. I love the muted tones of these papers. This has the beautiful glass dish with the fruit. It has raspberries, pomegranates, strawberries, peaches. Really, really like this paper. And I love the tans and the creams, and it's, yeah, super pretty, very vintage looking, which you know I like. And then this one, there's actually two of these, I believe, that I think I may have gotten two of these. Of course, I can't get these ones apart. Come on, fingers, work. Work for me, fingers. Yeah, I don't know if they're the same. Yeah, I got two of these. Yeah, I got two of these. These you could make into a book. These are all British recipes. Bread pudding, raspberry dumplings. What's this one? To make a baked apple pudding and a boiled custard pudding. Mince pie, rice pudding. My grandmother used to make rice pudding every Sunday. Look at this, so adorable. But you can see where you could make this into a book. So I think that was my idea, of getting two. So I'd have a front and a back, because these are only one-sided papers. And then this one is based on the fruit as well, and it's very muted tones again with the raspberries and the flowers, and it has like a soft burgundy, blue, and green in the leaves. So really pretty vintage inspired papers there. I love that. And as you know, it's getting close to Christmas time, so I got a few Christmas papers as well, which is this one. I love the silvery blue background, and it has Noel and Happy Christmas. Again, these are by Craft Creations, which is another UK brand. So there's that one. And then this one's called Christmas Scrolls in cream. Again, very muted colors. Love the faded look in the center there. Really, really love that look. And then this one is called Christmas Words in cream. It says Happy Christmas all over it. Christmas, yeah, just Happy Christmas. And it's got burgundy and a very pale green script. So that's those papers. And as I showed you in part one, White Rose Crafts has Lemoncraft paper. And I'm so excited about this. I was just jumping up and down when I saw that they had Lemoncraft paper in their store. This one's called Yesterday. And I also got the ephemera pack to go with it. So I will share that with you first. It has these beautiful roses in it, and you get 2 of each. And then you get 2 each of the frames. And they have them in green and pink, and then in the beige color. So these are great for journaling on. And then you get, and there's a bigger pink frame, and then you get 1 each of the different colors, and there's a bigger of the mint green. And then you get 1 each of these. And then the bigger cards, you get the roses, and then the frames as well. You get 2 of the roses, and then I believe you get probably 1 or 2 each of these ones. Yeah, so there's these ones, the frames with the script, and then the bigger frames. Great journaling cards for junk journals. And then the scroll frames in the pink and the green. Super pretty ephemera pack to go with the paper. There's another one of the roses, and then the frames. So that is the ephemera pack to go with the beautiful paper. And you guys wait till you see this paper. It's so beautiful. There was a little bit of gasping when I opened this paper pad up. I love it. So just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful paper. And again, this one's called Yesterday. And then here is the first sheet. And it has beautiful pink music paper with roses. And then this one's got the peeling and cracking of the wood here in the background with some lace and pink roses. And then here it's got some script and then the beautiful roses in the background and a beautiful sort of embossed circular frame. Oh, I didn't show you the back. What am I thinking? Here's the back of the other paper. Look at this. It's beautiful with pink and lace. I love this one. So pretty. You know who that reminded me of? Siobhan. Yes, that reminded me of you, girl. And then this one's got like a minty green kind of paper doily look to it. Super pretty. And then this one is polka dots with roses. And then on the back you have all the little squares that you can cut into things or use in a junk journal or add to a card. So beautiful. I love all the pastel colors. And then this one is, it's got some type on it. I don't know what it says. Can't really read it. But anyway, oh, what does that say there? Mystical photographs. I think it's supposed to be out of a newspaper. And then it's got the lace going up the side with the roses and a clock. I mean, really just gorgeous. And then look at the back of this. It's lace laid over with this beautiful aqua background. I mean, it's just amazing. I love it. I love the background on that one. And then this one is all roses. Love that one as well. And then you flip it over and you have these beautiful polka dots. And then last but not least, we have, this one's got like a pale pink wood with some scroll work stenciled on top of it. And then it's got, look at the background on this one, it's a minty green with, it looks like embossed lace on top of it with little bubbles and then some damask at the top. So absolutely gorgeous paper. Really just super beautiful paper, and that's the Lemon Craft Yesterday. And then this, last but certainly not least, this one is called Magnolia Lane, and I'm trying to see who makes this. Ultimate Crafts, by the looks of it. Designed by Sue Smythe. And you get 24 double-sided 12 by 12 paper, so it's a good, heavy, thick pad. And of course, I fell in love with the cover when I saw the Vintage Lady there. And look at the first piece with the Vintage Lady on it. It's so beautiful. And again, the soft pinks, and it's got magnolia flowers and roses and fleur-de-lis embossed into the background. I mean, it's beautiful. And then this side is some script. You can see there, beautiful script. And then look at this with the minty green with the magnolia, and I guess those are magnolia buds. Really just, I mean, wow. And then on the back side of that is a mint green with postal stamps and script. And then here, this is beautiful script paper with tiny little magnolias in the background and in the corners. And the back of that is this one. And then here we have more script with a very soft baby pink background and white magnolias with just a little touch of blue. And then we have pink fleur-de-lis with the butterflies and magnolias across the bottom. Lace and script and magnolias. I mean, this pad is so beautiful. There's the back side of that one. And then this one. And the back side of that one. I mean, I can just see me using this on so many projects. Love the clock. Love, love, love it. And then this has like a soft lilac fleur-de-lis. And then the tassels, I love the tassels on a very pale pink background. And then this is like a damask pattern with soft pink. Music paper with bird cages. This is just pink music paper on this side. Oh no. Yep, music paper. Look at the alphabet, the old-fashioned alphabet. I love that. And then there's a smaller alphabet here. And then this has got all your sort of ATC size cards. And then this beautiful blue paper. And then look at the postcards you get in it. Vintage postcards with the lady. It says time goes by. Oh, I just absolutely love this paper. Look at this piece. Like, for the shabby chic ladies out there, I know you're going to love this pad. And I think, yeah, we're just going through and these are the next images that I just showed you guys. So you get 2 sheets of each. So, I mean, really just a gorgeous, gorgeous pad. I love it. So that is the end of my DT unboxing. So stay tuned for my very first project for White Rose Crafts. And I will be back to talk to you guys very, very soon. I'm very excited. See you soon. Bye for now.